150 common English phrases in Filipino. Ang ibang sentences na makikita natin sa lesson na to ay figurative o iba sa literal na kahulugan ng mga salita. Ang iba naman ay mga idiomatic expressions o idioms na karaniwang ginagamit sa American English, kaya huwag nating hanapan ng verbatim o yung eksakto o word-for-word na translation. Halimbawa, when pigs fly, na ang kahulugan ay highly unlikely to happen or malabong mangyari. Huwag nating ipilit na i-translate ito sa Tagalog na kapag lumipad o nakakalipad na ang mga baboy because it doesn't make sense. Wala naman tayong ganong expression sa Filipino. Kaya intindihin at gamitin natin ang mga phrases according to context. Time flies, doesn't it? Time flies, doesn't it? Kahulugan, ang bilis ng oras, no? Let's grab a coffee sometime. Let's grab a coffee sometime. Magkape tayo minsan. I can't believe it's already afternoon. I can't believe it's already afternoon. Grabe, hapon na pala. That's a tough situation. That's a tough situation. Ang hirap ng sitwasyon na yan. I'm all ears. Go ahead. I'm all ears. Go ahead. Sige lang, nakikinig ako. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Nakakatawa naman yun. How is it going? How is it going? Kumusta or kumusta naman ang mga bagay-bagay? Let's get started. Let's get started. Mag-umpisa na tayo. Traffic is a nightmare today. Traffic is a nightmare today. Ang lala ng traffic ngayon. See you later. See you later. Bye or sige. Can you pass me that? Can you pass me that? Pwede bang paabot nun? What do you feel like eating? What do you feel like eating? Anong gusto mong kainin? I'm feeling under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. Let's have lunch together. Let's have lunch together. Sabay tayong mag-lunch. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. Grabe ang araw na to. Ginagamit ang phrase na to kapag maraming nangyari sa buong maghapon na medyo nahirapan ka at sa wakas ay tapos na. It's been a long day. Let's make the most of it. Let's make the most of it. Sulitin natin to. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Ano o kumusta ang lagay ng panahon? I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. Gustong-gusto ko nang mag-weekend. You're looking sharp today. You're looking sharp today. Ang ganda ng porma mo ngayon ah. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Magtawagan tayo. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. Grabe, ang saya-saya ko. I'm feeling much better now. I'm feeling much better now. Mabuti na ang pakiramdam ko ngayon. She has a lot to be proud of. She has a lot to be proud of. Marami siyang pwedeng ipagmalaki. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Pwede pong mahingi na yung bill or yung bill po. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. Magkita naman tayo. I'll have the same, please. I'll have the same, please. Ganon din po ang sa akin. Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Pwede bang pakibagalan mo ang pagsasalita? It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Maliit na bagay lang yan. That's impressive. That's impressive. Nakakabilib yun ah. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Pwede mo ba akong tulungan dito? Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Magpahinga muna tayo. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Gagawin ko ang buo kong makakaya. What's your dream job? What's your dream job? Ano ang pangarap mong trabaho? You're not making much sense. You're not making much sense. Ang labo ng sinasabi mo or walang logic ang sinasabi mo. I can't believe my eyes. I can't believe my eyes. Grabe, nagulat ako. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. Nakabakasyon ako. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Tatandaan ko yan. This is driving me crazy. This is driving me crazy. Mababaliw ako dito or mabubuang ako dito. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. Bigyan natin ng mga ilang panahon. That's a bit too much. That's a bit too much. Grabe naman yun or sobra naman yun. I don't know how to thank you enough. I don't know how to thank you enough. Hindi ko alam kung paano kita mapasasalamatan. Let's get this done. Let's get this done. Gawin na natin to. I'll take your word for it. I'll take your word for it. Meaning, hindi ko na kailangang i-check dahil may tiwala ako sa'yo, naniniwala ako sa sinasabi mo. I'll take your word for it. I'm up for anything. I'm up for anything. Game ako sa kahit ano. What's your plan for the weekend? What's your plan for the weekend? Anong plano o anong lakad mo sa weekend? I'm feeling a bit stressed. I'm feeling a bit stressed. Medyo nai-stress ako. I'm not a morning person. I'm not a morning person. Ang literal na translation nito ay hindi ako pang umagang tao. Ibig sabihin, ayaw niya na gumigising ng umaga or tamad na tamad siya kapag umaga. I'm not a morning person. Ang kabaligtaran ay I'm a night owl. I'm a night owl. Meaning, mas aktibo o mas buhay na buhay ako sa gabi. I'm a night owl. Can you give me a ride home? Can you give me a ride home? Pwede mo ba akong ihatid pa uwi ng bahay? I'll have to pass on that. I'll have to pass on that. Pasa ko dyan. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. Hindi na ako makakapaghintay. I'm not sure I can do it. I'm not sure I can do it. Hindi ako sigurado kung kaya kong gawin yon. I'll let you decide. I'll let you decide. Hahayaan kitang magdesisyon. I can't make any promises. I can't make any promises. Hindi ako makapangangako. Let's find a way to make it work. Let's find a way to make it work. Hanapan o gawan natin ng paraan para paganahin to. I can't shake this feeling. I can't shake this feeling. Hindi ko maalis ang pakiramdam na to. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. I'll do whatever it takes. I'll do whatever it takes. Gagawin ko kung ano ang kinakailangan. What's the next step? What's the next step? Ano ang susunod na hakbang? I only go to the cinema once in a blue moon. I only go to the cinema once in the blue moon. Bihirang-bihira akong manood ng sine. The test was a piece of cake. The test was a piece of cake. Sobrang dali ng test. Fuel these days costs an arm and a leg. Fuel these days costs an arm and a leg. Napakamahal ng gasolina sa mga panahon ngayon. I thought she really liked me, but the next day she gave me the cold shoulder. I thought she really liked me, but the next day she gave me the cold shoulder. Akala ko talaga gusto niya ako, pero dinedma niya ako ng sumunod na araw. How many times do I have to say it? How many times do I have to say it? Ilang beses ko ba dapat sabihin yun? He was so mad, he almost lost it. He was so mad, he almost lost it. Galit na galit siya, muntik na siyang magwala. Are you leveling with me? Are you leveling with me? Nagsasabi ka ba ng totoo sa akin? You're dead meat. You're dead meat. Lagot ka or patay ka. Please take this to the office. Please take this to the office. Dalhin mo to sa opisina. I'm taking a selfie. I'm taking a selfie. Nagsiselfie ako. I'm not happy with the outcome. I'm not happy with the outcome. Hindi ako masaya sa naging resulta. It's raining again. What a bummer. It's raining again. What a bummer. Umuulan na naman, nakakabuisit. I'm not really into that. I'm not really into that. Hindi talaga ako mahilig doon. Let's not jump to conclusions. Let's not jump to conclusions. Huwag tayong mag-conclude agad. Can you help me find it? Can you help me find it? Pwede mo ba akong tulungang hanapin yon? Let's not take things too seriously. Let's not take things too seriously. Huwag nating masyadong seryosohin ang mga bagay-bagay. Are you doing anything later? Are you doing anything later? May gagawin ka ba mamaya? I can't make it tomorrow. I can't make it tomorrow. Hindi ako makakarating bukas or hindi ako pwede bukas. Can you scooch over a little? Can you scooch over a little? Pwede ka bang umusog ng konti? How's your day going? How's your day going? Kumusta naman ang araw mo? This is so tiring. This is so tiring. Nakakapagod naman to. Don't sweat the small stuff. Don't sweat the small stuff. Huwag ka ngang masyadong magpakapagod dyan. Ginagamit ang phrase na to kapag gusto mong sabing huwag masyadong mag-aksaya ng panahon o ng lakas sa isang maliit na bagay. As if I cared. As if I cared. Para namang may paki ako. Come again? Come again? Ano yon? Or ano nga ulit yon? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Tama na, sobra na. Oh, for crying out loud, just listen to me. Oh, for crying out loud, just listen to me. Ay nako, utang na loob, makinig ka nga sa akin. Flattery will get you nowhere. Flattery will get you nowhere. Hindi mo ako mauuto or hindi mo ako mabobola. He has been a nuisance from day one. He has been a nuisance from day one. Isa siyang buwisit simulat sa pool. It's fine with me. It's fine with me. Okay sa akin yan. Do you get my drift? Do you get my drift? Nakukuha mo ba yung ibig kong sabihin? Or yung colloquial phrase na, gets mo? Do you get my drift? Get off my back. Get off my back. Tigilan mo ako. I was just trying to help. I was just trying to help. Tumutulong lang naman ako. Give my best to her. Give my best to her. Ikumusta mo ako sa kanya? God forbid. God forbid. Diyos ko, wag naman sana. Come in and make yourself at home. Come in and make yourself at home. Pasok ka or tuloy ka. Feel at home. Here we go again. Here we go again. Eto na naman tayo. How will I recognize you? How will I recognize you? Paano kita makikilala? I couldn't ask for more. I couldn't ask for more. Wala na akong mahihiling pa. I didn't catch your name. I didn't catch your name. Hindi ko nakuha ang pangalan mo. It's on me. It's on me. Ako ang magbabayad nito. Come back anytime. Come back anytime. Balik ka uli or balik kayo uli. It's out of the question. It's out of the question. Hindi pwede. I know what you mean. I've been there. I know what you mean. I've been there. Alam ko ang ibig mong sabihin. Naranasan ko na yan. Do you know how to keep a secret? Do you know how to keep a secret? Marunong ka bang magtago ng sikreto? Keep your opinions to yourself. Keep your opinions to yourself. Sarilinin mo lang ang opinyon mo. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Umalis na tayo rito. You have to live up to your end of the bargain. You have to live up to your end of the bargain. Dapat tumupad ka sa usapan. Do you want me to look under the hood, sir? Do you want me to look under the hood, sir? Gusto mo bang tingnan ko ang makina, sir? hope you won't tell it to anyone. I hope you won't tell it to anyone. Sana wala kang pagsasabihang iba nito. I'm sorry I stepped on your toe. I'm sorry I stepped on your toe. Sorry, naapakan ko ang daliri mo sa paa. Don't wipe your nose on your sleeve. Don't wipe your nose on your sleeve. Huwag mong ipahid yung ilong mo sa manggas mo. It really doesn't matter to me. It really doesn't matter to me. Hindi mahalaga sa akin yon. Go make some coffee. Go make some coffee. Magtimpla ka nga ng kape. I was well cared for. I was well cared for. Inalagaan nila akong mabuti. Give me 5. Give me 5. Appear or appear tayo. You sound like a broken record. You sound like a broken record. Para kang sirang plaka. I refuse to speak ill of any of my friends. I refuse to speak ill of any of my friends. Ayokong magsalita ng masama tungkol sa kahit kaninong kaibigan ko. I'm not sure I like what you just said. I'm not sure I like what you just said. Parang hindi ko gusto ang sinabi mo. Please don't take it personally. Please don't take it personally. Huwag mong masamain or huwag mong personalin. That's easy for you to say. That's easy for you to say. Madali lang para sa iyong sabihin yan, palibhasa hindi ka apektado. He left us here. He left us here. Iniwan niya kami rito. Please dry your feet off before coming in. Please dry your feet off before coming in. Patuyuin mo muna ang mga paa mo bago ka pumasok. The storm seems to have eased off a little. The storm seems to have eased off a little. Mukhang medyo humina na ang bagyo. It's not fair to put the blame on somebody else. It's not fair to put the blame on somebody else. Hindi tama o hindi makatarungan na isisi mo sa ibang tao. I will take my son to his football game. I will take my son to his football game. Ihahatid ko ang anak ko sa football game niya. Let's stick to the schedule. Let's stick to the schedule. Sundin natin ang schedule. I'm recovering from a cold. I'm recovering from a cold. Nagpapagaling ako sa sipon. I'm getting dressed. I'm getting dressed. Nagbibihis ako. Do I have everything? Do I have everything? Nasa akin na ba lahat? I have a deadline. I have a deadline. May deadline ako. I'll do the dishes. I'll do the dishes. Ako ang maghuhugas ng mga plato. I'll send you an invite. I'll send you an invite. Padadalhan kita ng imbitasyon. What time suits you? What time suits you? Anong oras ang pwede sa'yo? Let's hear everyone out. Let's hear everyone out. Pakinggan natin ang opinyon o sasabihin ng lahat. Can we postpone this? Can we postpone this? Pwede ba nating ipagpaliban to? I'm preparing dinner. I'm preparing dinner. Naghahanda ako ng hapunan. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? Anong isusuot ko ngayon? Any plans for today? Any plans for today? May lakad ka ba ngayon? I need to organize my closet. It's a mess. I need to organize my closet. It's a mess. Kailangan kong ayusin ang aparador ko. Ang gulo. I'm feeling down. I'm feeling down. Nalulungkot ako. I love the taste of ginkali. I love the taste of ginkali. Gusto ko ang lasa ng kinkali. If I had known, I would have helped you. If I had known, I would have helped you. Kung alam ko lang, di sana tinulungan kita. The picture is blurry. The picture is blurry. Malabo ang litrato. I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. Gusto kong magpa-reserve. Do you want me to make it bigger? Do you want me to make it bigger? Gusto mo bang palakihin ko? Photography is my passion. Photography is my passion. Pagkuha ng litrato ang hilig ko. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Pwede ko bang ibalik to kapag hindi kasya? Would you like some dessert? Would you like some dessert? Gusto mo ba ng panghimagas? I'll take a rain check. I'll take a rain check. Ginagamit ang phrase na to para sabihin sa isang tao na hindi mo pwedeng tanggapin yung imbitasyon ngayon, pero pwede sa susunod na lang. Kaya ang translation, pinakamalapit ay, gusto ko sana, kaya lang, sa susunod na lang. I'll take a rain check. I lost track of time. I lost track of time. Hindi ko na malaya ng oras. I'm off to bed now. Good night. I'm off to bed now. Good night. Matutulog na ako. Good night.